Hi, I am Ranjan Singh, and today I am complete my first task. Predict the percentage of an student based on the number of study. So let's. I'm going to explain code. So these are the important library for those library is important for this project. So I am import a pandas and numpy matplotlib and next is the most important thing, fetching the data with the URL. So I am using URL for the fetching of data, and I am read the data in the CSV file. So this is the written for that, and now the this section is completed. So print the import is successfully, and for confirmation I have checked the head and 12 data sets. So I here printed the all the data set, and now we are trying to understand the relation between data and try to plot the distribution of a score. So here I am writing the titles of graph like X level in the hour of study and Y level percentage of the score, and this is the graph. And now we are going to prepare the our data set. So this is for the preparation of the data set, and X row and um, X is the one type of data set and Y is the other type of data. So now we have split our data set into training and testing data set. So this is very important. For this, uh, for the splitting, I'm going to import Scikit-Learn module selection, import training and testing split. So 20% of data I have to split in the testing data, and 80% data is the training data. So now we are ready to train our algorithm. Now I'm going to import linear regression because this problem is belonging to the linear regression problem. From sklearn linear module import linear regression, I have import this library and train our algorithm. After this section is complete, message will print training is complete. So here is the successful, our model is trained, and now uh, I try to represent how our model is trained. So this graph is shown as this line is the criteria line, and this is the our model is trained. And now the predict of the uh, testing data, and compare the actual and predicting data. So actual is 20 and my prediction is 16.88 and so on. So now this section is the test for. So I've taken the np.array point two 2.4 hour study of the student, and then they print the score. Number of study is 2.4 hour. So a student will get the 25% score in the exam, and now the evaluate the model from sklearn import matrix. This is the check of accuracy of our model. So mean absolute error is 4.12. Okay, thank you.